Thyme, a fragrant herb hailing from the illustrious mint family, has etched its name in culinary history as a versatile seasoning adored by various cultures worldwide. Beyond its culinary charm, thyme stands as a remarkable herbal treasure trove, offering an array of health benefits that extend a warm embrace to the human heart. In this enlightening discourse, we embark on a journey through the aromatic corridors of thyme, to uncover its profound potential in fortifying cardiovascular health. So, settle in, dear viewers, as we explore the wonders of thyme and its remarkable impact on our hearts. Arteries, the pulsating lifelines. Before delving into the cardiovascular marvels of thyme, let us first acquaint ourselves with the intricate world of arteries. These resilient blood vessels are entrusted with the sacred duty of ferrying oxygen-rich blood from the heart to every nook and cranny of our bodies. Such ceaseless circulation of life-nurturing oxygen is an indispensable prerequisite for our existence. However, the labyrinth of our dietary choices and lifestyle decisions sometimes conspires to obstruct these vital pathways, elevating the ominous specter of heart attacks or strokes. This condition, ominously known as atherosclerosis, often lurks in the shadows, stealthily encroaching on our health until it manifests as symptoms such as the dreaded chest pain. Dietary choices indeed play a pivotal role in determining the health of our arteries. Nevertheless, the dietary battlefield boasts not just adversaries but also allies. Foods with the extraordinary power to cleanse our arteries, allowing the life-giving blood to flow unimpeded. It is amidst this assembly of dietary champions that thyme emerges as a silent sentinel, guarding the gates of our cardiovascular health. The multifaceted splendor of thyme. Scientific inquiries into thyme have illuminated its multifaceted potential, unveiling its capacity to lower blood pressure, thwart tachycardia, abnormally rapid heart rate, and reduce the levels of undesirable fats circulating in our bloodstream. Beyond these remarkable cardiovascular virtues, thyme emerges as a worthy contender in the realm of sodium intake moderation. It can be employed as a worthy substitute for table salt, a small but significant adjustment that can confer substantial benefits to our entire cardiovascular system. However, thyme's benevolence does not halt at the heart's threshold. This herb, with its aromatic allure, encompasses a vast spectrum of health benefits. Among its many accolades, thyme is renowned for fortifying the immune system, offering respite from bothersome coughs, and engaging in a relentless battle against certain types of bacteria within the human body. It is indeed a testament to the herb's versatility and its role as a multifaceted ally in our journey towards holistic health. Navigating dietary waters, steering clear of artery-clogging culprits. While thyme glistens as a cardiovascular ally, the importance of mindful dietary choices cannot be overstated. A cardinal rule that guides our culinary voyage is the avoidance of foods rich in cholesterol. Cholesterol, when combined with fats, calcium, and other substances within our bloodstream, coalesces into a perilous entity known as plaque, a formidable adversary capable of obstructing our vital arteries. To safeguard our hearts, it is imperative that we bid adieu to such cholesterol-laden edibles. In our quest for cardiovascular vitality, it is equally crucial to shun foods rife with saturated and trans fats. These dietary delinquents are notorious for their complicity in nurturing the growth of arterial plaque. Undoubtedly, the sacrifices demanded by this dietary transition may at times appear daunting. Yet, when weighed against the bouquet of benefits bestowed by heart-healthy superfoods and spices like thyme, the choice becomes an investment in our well-being, one that promises long-term dividends for our health. A gentle reminder: seek professional guidance. Let us emphasize a crucial point: we are not medical professionals. This video serves solely as an informational resource, offering insights into the potential cardiovascular benefits of thyme. For personalized medical advice and healthcare guidance, it is always prudent to consult a qualified healthcare practitioner.